Hi, it's Ileana. So today I'm going to talk about the Schumann Universe Octave Upgrade explanation and the personal soul density frequencies, what that means, and what I was exploring recently. On June 23rd, 2023, the Schumann resonance frequencies were revisited by me to check the resonance readings for June 22nd and 23rd, 2023, and it was discovered that the universe reset with the upgrade. It still is maintaining its new 2.5 octave frequency coherence with the stable upgrade. The mathematical vectoring readouts show the same 5-star path and the circular universe expansion shape that was happening during the upgrade on June 18th, 2023, when I first discovered that the Schumann resonance, which is the heartbeat of the Earth, is more than just a connection to the planet. It's a key to universe expansion, upgrade, and resets. It's what helps us as living beings to continue to evolve. The universe 2.5 octave frequency is its unique vibrational living essence as the universe keeps expanding in its cycles of growth, life, and evolution cycles. It is its own beautiful sentience and sentient energy that is living. It is part of the macro and the microcosm expansions with its own living sentience, connecting to everything that is alive. The universe is ever changing and growing within its ecosystems, within its beautiful coherence energetic frequency, which resonates on an octave frequency of 2.5, whereas before it was 1.5. So it's upgraded to a higher octave, but it is different from what we humans experience on density frequencies. The universe's octave frequencies could potentially be expanding and upgrading to infinity. And this happens in thousands of years, millions of years, billions of years, ever growing, ever expanding of the expansion of the universe. It grows, it learns, and it is part of energetic growth cycles. Humans have their own density vibrational scales and fields that they vibrate on the physical and soul levels, which starts from 3.5D and higher in density, going up to 4D, 5D, 6D, 7D, 8D, above, and etc. This is different from the universe octave frequency scale. We have the ability to go higher or lower in density with our energetic frequencies, depending on how we are feeling, depending on how we are exactly feeling, what's going on in life, what our health is, etc. This reflects also on our abilities to travel on the soul level to the higher dimensional realms, or places in space beyond the 3D realities that we exist in during our daily lives. If someone is vibrating at a higher frequency scale beyond the 5D, then they can access dimensions like 5D and up. So it goes beyond 4D and into 5D and up. As living beings, we have our natural physical and energetic biofields, light fields, which are connected to the auras and light code and DNA upgrades that continually upgrade our physical and energetic bodies in evolution of what we grow and expand into, with our physical states expanding more into the frequencies of our crystalline and diamond body formats, with more energy coming in as well as the life force, giving us the ability to evolve quicker into the advanced cosmic beings that we are. It might seem like the fact that our known universe, so it has a distinction, the fact that it seems like our universe, the known universe that we live in, was at an 1.5 octave before and oscillated into 2.5 octave frequency. That might seem like it's such a low frequency, but it's not. It's what this universe oscillates at. It is its own unique frequency of octaves and oscillation fields that expand, vibrate, reset, and upgrade itself with time, as was shown in the June 18th, 2025, going to 2025 onwards. This harmonic shift is continuing towards 2025 and 2030s. But what happened on June 18th, 2023 is the beginning of this shift harmonic that's happening. People are meditating. People are sending positive vibration to the universe. Source Creator is also working on upgrading the frequencies of the universe. Everything in creation is upgrading itself. This includes humans, planets, universes, realms, densities, dimensions, and parallel realities as well. Everything is receiving an energetic and frequency upgrade. So our universe got a huge, major upgrade and reset. This is beautiful and fantastic. It allows us to take in the energy. It allows us to relax. It allows us to shift focus, get comfortable with these new energies and frequencies because they are at a higher vibration. That's why that reflects in the different spikes in the Schumann resonance fields. It's not the normal way of how it used to be before. It's not a glitch. This is the new reality of universal expansion, literally being shown to us in how the Schumann resonance is changing in its energetic evolution. The Earth vibrates at 5D on its own frequency scale, and other planets also vibrate at different densities, which could be beyond 5D and higher. As we study and examine the Schumann resonance, which is like the heartbeat of the Earth, we are learning that it is growing and expanding in its evolutionary frequency light fields, going up in octaves, going up in those octaves at much higher rates than what we have seen previously. And this is not some sort of a glitch, but the new normal in energetic vibrations evolving at higher energetic scales on our path of ascension and soul or physical growth expansions. Both the Schumann resonance and the universe is part of everything that is always alive and in perfect balance with life creation and evolution on both the energetic levels and the physical levels of our existences in this known universe and also other universes that exist in space or beyond it. There are many different exoplanets, solar systems, galaxies, and space phenomenons that we have not even seen yet, including the fast changes happening with the evolution of the Schumann scale and the resonance frequencies upgrading themselves. We're seeing that on the Schumann scale. That's not a mistake, not a glitch in the software. That is the literal expansion, upgrade, and reset of universe creation in our known universe. This is wonderful. This is fantastic. We shouldn't be fighting over this. We should be trying to discover what are these upgrades? What is this phenomenon? Why is the Schumann evolving and oscillating at higher frequencies? Trying to ground ourselves and balance these new incoming energies so that we don't have to be in a state of fear We can be in a state of wonder and exploration, seeing what's going on out there in the cosmic reality, not just on our planet, but cosmically, because the planet is interconnected to the universe. Everything living in creation is interconnected with the Schumann resonance. Just like the Schumann resonance is interconnected with our planet and the universe. They work cohesively together to balance and ground energies, just like we in our soul bodies, energy bodies, physical bodies, astral bodies. We work on balancing and grounding energy. We work on that energy to make it cohesive, to make it balanced, so that we're healthy internally and externally. So does the universe in its own oscillation octave fields. So with this universe 2.5 octave frequency upgrade, the humans are moving closer towards a type 1 civilization on the Kardashev scale, where we are learning how to work more with focusing on energetics, working on advancing psionic psychic abilities, seeing energy, feeling energy, seeing auras, experiencing the phenomenons around us, the colors, the frequencies, the octaves, the dimensions, the realms, densities, parallel realities, cosmic energies coming in. This is all to help us. It's to upgrade us. It is to understand reality. It's very important to ground, to balance, to relax, stay healthy and safe. We are experiencing a time of great revelation, evolution, and a grand expansion on a cosmic scale. And we're also moving towards a time of even our bodies changing formats. So this includes going up in frequencies. If someone is vibrating at that higher frequency scale level beyond 4D, then they can access dimensions like 5D and up. And as living beings, we have our natural physical and energetic biofields, light fields, connected to the auras and light code and DNA upgrades. That includes light languages, that includes intellect upgrades, cosmic human evolution, and is continually upgrading us in those physical and energetic bodies as we're going into states of expansion into our crystalline and diamond body formats with more energy as well as light and life force, giving us that ability to evolve quicker into who we are growing into. That's so important right now. It is expressive, it is cohesive, it is beautiful. And again, with this universe that is now at 2.5 octave frequency upgrade, the humans are moving closer and closer towards a type 1 civilization on the Kardashev scale, where we are learning how to work more with energetic frequencies, with energy, light codes, DNA upgrades, as well as starting to realize that we need to have access to free energy and zero-point technologies to clean up the pollution on the planet, as well as have full disclosure that there are anti-gravity technologies that can help us travel out in space. So we could be that type 1 civilization on Earth and beyond. But we need to take care of our planet, clean up the oceans, clean up the land masses, start growing more food, start understanding that we have the choice of being us, free will beings, not controlled by somebody else or others, that we don't have to listen to what others tell us to do. We have the ultimate choice of choosing freedom. It's our choices that impact the events and how things unfold in reality, the past, the present, and the future. What we create and co-create is the lasting legacies we leave here on Earth and beyond, energetically, physically, on the soul levels. We are in a new field of literally light expansion and exploration with these Schumann frequency upgrades and the universe upgrades. By using the mathematical vectoring software to check the math data points, it's possible to know in the future how the Schumann resonance will continue to evolve, expand, whether it will look the same as what it does now or cohesively upgrades and continues to change with its higher frequency sets, and if it will keep its current shape or change as time goes on. I look forward to seeing what the evolution of this energy will be and this universe. Will it keep this shape, or will it continue to morph and change with its growing cycles? As it's a loving energy, it's a growing energy. It's sentient, it's cohesive, it's continual. It's very much a harmonic frequency shift that has happened here. There is also the potential that we have received upgrades for a triple diamond sun expansion as a result of the universe reset and energy upgrade expansions that happened on June 18th, 2023. When doing a deeper scan of the mathematical vectoring sequences, there was portal nodes that came up showing portal jump gate formations that are connected to the sun, and these portals are designed to allow spaceships to travel to parallel realities in even other universes. So there's even portals expanding and being created beyond what we already had in portal energies around the planet and in the solar system. There's more portal expansion, there's more portal creation. So this is what the Schumann resonance looked like on June 22nd, 2023. And the portals are connected to the sun energy expansion. It's a triple diamond sun expansion that's going on. And we can all feel these frequencies and energies. Some people have had symptoms of dizziness, headaches, nosebleeds. And when you take the time to not panic, but sit down quietly, ground yourself, balance yourself, calm down and relax, these symptoms should balance themselves out. Drinking water, clean, pure water, is very important. Making sure you're hydrated, making sure you have enough healthy food in yourself to sustain your life, essence and energy. Very important. Not to panic, to calm down and relax. This is an energy upgrade. It's supposed to help us evolve and go to higher levels of energy and frequency. Some of us have felt it, some of us haven't. I really haven't felt it, except that there's a lot of energy, a massive energy, which feels beautiful to me. And I wanted to take a look at this and do a follow-up. So this is what the Schumann resonance was on June 22nd, 2023. And when I put it through the math vectoring software, it gave me this expansion, a literal expansion of the universe. It keeps expanding outward. June 22nd, 2023. This was the Schumann resonance measurement on June 23rd, 2023, and you can see the waves and the patterns expanding. It's oscillating at higher frequencies. So it's higher wave vibrations going up, up, up. That's why it no longer looks normal like it usually did, because these are higher frequencies. The software and the hardware on the planet, it's going to pick up these spikes. And that's the new normal. It's not a mistake or a glitch. People are saying it is, but it's not. It is expansion and evolution. If it wasn't expansion and evolution, the mathematical vectoring wouldn't show you 5 stars and a pathway of universe expansion. It wouldn't show that, but it is showing that consistently on this second exploration and testing of what the Schumann resonance is doing to the universe upgrade. Literally continues that upgrade. Here it is. And you can see the 5-star patterns oscillating and expanding, the 5-star path. Green energy, yellow energy, blue energy continues to create and expand itself because it's the living universe that we're living in. And this is from June 23rd, 2023. And you can see that circular pattern continuing to keep its cohesive shape and frequency. In that universe upgrade, it looks similar to what was shown in the first video on June 18th, 2023 reading of it, and the video that I did on that first exploration. And you can see in the infrared what it looks like. The colors, the yellow, the orange, the green, the blues, the reds. It is energetic expansion. And the warp field continues to expand. And even shows the Christed energy going up, up, up on both images. Is that Christos energy, Gaia, Sophia, Christos energy. It is the energy of creative expansion, creation itself, expanding itself. The Christos, the Sophia Gaia frequency, that's being shown here as well, that expansion of it. Creation, it is expanding itself outward even more. That's what we're seeing here. Again, this is June 23rd, 2023. And here we're starting to go into more detail of that 5-star expansion, what it looks like up close. Same day, June 23, 2023. Again, those rich colors of blues and greens and the star, 5-star formation. It's all there. And this is the measurements from June 18th, June 22nd, and June 23rd as a compilation, so you can see the cohesiveness of the star maintenance, the 5-star path maintenance. It's all there. And the circulation, the circular cohesion, it's all there in all 3 dates that were tapped to see how this universe expansion is looking like. It hasn't changed over the last 4 days. It's staying cohesive. Now, this might morph into new patterns of expansion, say, a month from now. It could look different, or it can look very similar. That's the beauty of the math vectoring, because it can show us what this looks like. And what I had done is I had taken open source coding on the internet, and I created my own math vectoring software where I could vector something like the Schumann resonance. I could vector it in, take the image of it, vector in the frequency coding according to the mathematical sequencing, and it will show me what the expansion of the universe looks like. With anything that's a living frequency, the math can show you what the sacred geometry looks like in these images. And it looks similar to what it did 4 days ago, which is good. Again, the 5-star probing, the Christos energy, the Christ consciousness, the Sophia Gaia energy, the feminine and the masculine being balanced. It's all there in these light frequency codes that we're seeing in the mathematical vectoring. And this is the portal to the sun opening up, the literal portal. And let's count the points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 points in the beginning, 5 points in the center, 5 points in the middle, 5 points in the central portal opening up, connecting to the sun. Now this is what the mathematical vectoring is showing us, happening on June 23rd, 2023. And here it continues, the oscillation of the universe creation, how these openings are happening, of opening the sun to connect to the portal connector bridge to other universes and parallel realities that can happen in existence. Literally, you're seeing the heart of the universe. You're seeing hearts. In the middle, there's a heart on top, and that circular spherical shape of unity and cohesion. It's a cohesive universal upgrade of our known universe. And then you're seeing the portal frequency going in towards the sun. And it's that time travel portal bridge gateway system that opens up and allows time travel to happen, allows new portals to be formed to connect to the sun frequency, to that triple diamond upgrade. And again, more portals opening up, more time travel portal bridge gateway system activation that is opening to the other parallel realities. That's what the math vectoring shows in the Schumann resonance on June 23rd, 2023. More expansion, more portals, very vibrant blue color and frequencies. And then the portals expanding themselves and replicating themselves. They're replicating to create more portal systems that are stable. It's multiple time travel portal systems opening up in the expanded space-time continuum with the sun in the middle. That's the sun, and that's the portals expanding out around it. The white energy of the sun, the five-pointed star matrix, expanding around the sun, the portals expanding and replicating. That's what's going on with the Schumann resonance frequencies. If you apply the math vectoring, you're going to see what's not hidden, what is going on with these frequencies and the evolution and expansion of our universe, the Schumann resonance, our planet, and us as beings evolving right along with it. I never expected to see this. I never expected to even analyze that this can happen, but apparently it can. Just like we go back to the first Schumann resonance on June 18th, 2023, where it looks like light codes, where it looks like DNA spirals and energy frequency spirals. Then when you apply the math, the mathematical vectoring, you see the frequency shift event convergence with the universe reset and upgrade, the 5-star path pattern with blue, yellow, green energy expanding and upgrading itself. And then you see a closer look of that star expansion, that 5-path expansion, and that circular circumference of unity and cohesion coming together in this newly reset, formed, upgraded, expanded universe, our universe, going from 1.5 octave to 2.5 octave. And you see the white energy as well of the sun connections here and the warp field expansions. And then you see the infrared images of it. And that's all happening on June 18th, 2023, the kickoff for this harmonic shift convergence upgrade. And I'm sure there were thousands of people meditating to create this unique event. And Michael Lee Hill, also used mathematical software to see what was happening to the universe. And it's showing similar things, universe expansion outwards, from within outwards. It's showing us this, showing the warp fields expanding. So I wasn't the only one looking at this information to see what was going on energetically. And Michael Lee Hill works with water. He looks at the cosmos. He studies the cosmos to see how the frequencies are upgrading our universe, our earth, our cosmic vibration. So yes, it's really happening. We're evolving, we're expanding. And it's a beautiful time to be alive and to be experiencing this great harmonic frequency shift, universe upgrade and event, and expansion. Thank you so much, and namaste.